Swing, sparkle, sparkle. It's here. I think this was buy2wayradios.com. I want to get the website right. Buy2wayradios.com. They definitely have all of this VGC radio stuff. And I don't know, I want to say gray market, but you know, non-traditional ham radios, I suppose. Pretty good packing. I got a speaker mic in here. I've got the other speaker mic in here. At least I think that's what's in there. And then there is the Vero's VR-N7500 VGC. VHF, UHF, FM transceiver. So this is, I haven't seen this yet at all. The only thing I've seen is what you've seen, which is like on YouTube videos. So this is an actual unboxing. All right, speaker mic. This is the corded speaker mic. There's a corded one, but what makes it cool is you can get the uncorded ones as well for not much more money. So you can put the radio anywhere you want. There's some English instructions here. I'll give those a shot later. Mounting hardware, I'm probably going to need that. I plan on bolting this in the back of the race car. Further getting into the core of the package, we have the radio itself. Well, it's a lot smaller, pretty decently heavy, I would say. It's definitely got a good heat sink on it. I'm trying to do all this with one hand, guys. So work with me here. I don't know if I can open this. There we go. A warning label, we'll ignore that. And there is the radio. All right, fantastic. Wasn't sure how to wire this thing up, but it's got some decent, maybe 14 gauge wire on there. Got a T connector. I got no face plate, just a power button, decent heat sink, and a little fan on there. That's gonna be fun. Got some mounting hardware. Looks like magnetic plates, and then pretty decent lengths of what appears to be 14 gauge. I'll correct it if it's not. I can almost read it. Actually, it looks like it's in millimeters, 2.5 millimeters, and a T-plug. And then, of course, this ends in bare wire. Throw that on the power supply and see what happens. Okay, that was the official unboxing, and I didn't cheat either. I literally opened this up as it came delivered from the postman. So the Vero, I don't know why I can never remember the name of this. VR-N7500. It's almost in business. Let's hook it up to a power supply and see what we can do.